People, I'll be sharing to you our travel files with my beautiful chaos, which is my family, for the next couple of days. So, here is our travel intro.
Being better when I'm 70. You me and friends, we don't get along.
Na naman na natin to, mag-ano na tayo.
Listen, everybody wanna go high.
Urban Pack is located at Haipong Mansion House in Kowloon. We also booked them at Airbnb, which I have a couple of links in my description box that I refer to you if you want to book at Airbnb, or if you want sounds for your video, you can click the link for my epidemic sound. And if you want to support my channel, you can be a subscriber in my Patreon account. And guys, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you all in another one. And have a good day.